Hello, my name is Kasha Samel, and I'm the American Indian Resource Center librarian for LA County Library. Every November, we honor and celebrate the cultures, contributions, and heritage of Native Americans. And this year, we will be celebrating all month long with some activities and film and book recommendations. Every Friday in November, we will highlight a film from one of our streaming services, Canopy or Hoopla, that has Native Americans as its focus. You can access these movies with your LA County Library card, and the film will be linked below. Remember to join us every Friday in November for Native American film recommendations. The first film we're sharing is a 2017 documentary called Rainbow: The Indians Who Rock the World, directed by Catherine Bainbridge, best suited for ages 13 and up. This musically rich film explores the influences of Native American musicians on rock and the important role they play in pop culture. Viewers may be surprised to find out how many of their legendary rockers have Native American ancestry. You'll get to hear about their struggles, such as racism, political activism, censorship, being banned, and receiving backlash for being too different. In addition to personal accounts from the Native musicians and their contemporaries, past footages of performances, reenactments, and song clips make this a super fun film to experience. You can find additional resources about the film in our viewer guide on our Native American Heritage Month page. The viewer guide will have links to the film, discussions, and other fun information. Thanks for joining us for the first week of our Native American Heritage Month Virtual Film Festival. Stay tuned for future recommendations.